Check out this 2017 Toyota 4Runner SR5. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 8 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio, in-tune audio plus, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.